Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to move your XRP from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet for better security and control. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and I'll make sure you avoid any common pitfalls. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and some XRP in it. If you don't have the Phantom Wallet app yet, head to your App Store, download it, and create a new wallet. It's quick and secure. Phantom is one of the best for handling assets like XRP. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in. Navigate to your dashboard and find your XRP balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any network fees, which can vary based on the XRP ledger's current conditions in 2025. Step 2. Switch over to your Phantom wallet. Open the app, go to your wallet overview, and copy your XRP receiving address. This is crucial. Always verify it's the correct address to prevent any loss. Pro tip. Phantom might require you to select the XRP network, so ensure it's set to the XRP ledger for seamless transfers. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, click on your XRP balance and select the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the address you copied from Phantom, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and review the details carefully. You'll see a fee estimate here. Aim to transfer during low traffic times to save on costs. Step 4. Hit Confirm. Coinbase will process the transaction, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Phantom Wallet and refresh to see your XRP arrive. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses and amounts to avoid irreversible mistakes. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated on any new requirements. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your Phantom wallet. This gives you more flexibility for staking or trading. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.